Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Easy English Jabalpur channel. We will talk about some uses of for today. As you know that for is a preposition and it is used to make a relationship between subject and object in a sentence. But it has got great many meanings. So let's figure out what are these meanings. Number one, space of time and distance. You can say that I have been staying here for a week. When you talk about distance, you can say this forest goes on for 20 miles. Number two, direction. You can ask a question. Which train goes for Budapest? Number three, amount. You can use it like this. I have paid 5 lakh rupees for this wonderful car. Exchange. You can also say that my brother has paid $500 for this wonderful painting. Cause. My friend has got medal for bravery. Advantage. This has been a great week for them. Disadvantage. Too much work for employees is not good for them. Last is time. You can also say that the class has been arranged for an hour. One more, friends. You can also say that you can also use it to talk about purpose, time and intention. You can say I have come here for learning English, and intention or some kind of purpose, you can say that he uses this razor for shaving. So friends, I hope you have understood these uses of for and you will use it in your English language or day-to-day language. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day.